So we're back with it with another winter install video with Marco, and this time we got some well, you guys remember these front splitters that Marco has on his 370Z, and I have them on my Lancer GT. So if you guys like them, remember to check out Z Splitters. This guy custom makes splitters straight from Canada. Besides front splitters I should say, he also makes side splitters. So that's what Marco got today. He got some custom side splitters that's going on the 370Z. And I guess Z Splitters hooked it up with these what do you think? Winglets, yeah, they go on the side, on the front. It's gonna go right there. Pretty cool. So yep, that's what we're installing today. So little logo on here, it's pretty cool. So Marco went ahead and got the first side jacked up. I'm gonna start with the driver's side install.
First time using it.
Comes out just like that.
I fucking love this drill already. Sorry guys.
Picked up these self-tapping screws for $5, 20 screws. So right now Marco's test fitting the side splitter.
If you can hold it up, see over there. And see it.
Put the camera down.
Because so it bends down, that's why I see it.
Alright. So you want me to hold it and then start drilling it on?
Yeah, so I have to see it. That was easy.
First one win. Alright. So we just installed one side of the side splitter, and we're gonna check out the right side now and install the other side. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. One side. Check out the Z splitters.
Hard, dude. Forward, and then I'm gonna back into the wood.
Okay.
Because it's too low on that side too.
This is without side splitters. Yeah, this one's on it, but you're not on the rear one. Actually,
It's good. Let's just keep that safety measure.
alright. Okay, low life. So we spent maybe another 20 minutes. As you can see, it's all dark right now. Finally finished the other side of the splitter. Let me show you guys. The side splitters. So it's really dark, but side splitters on both sides are all done. Car looks great as always.